Vertical gardens. With temperatures reaching 40 degrees, summer days in Palma can be really hot. Open spaces such as streets or squares are most uncomfortable. However, spending time in the park could really help one cool down. The shade the trees provide is much cooler than standing in full sun. The best place to stay during the summer is Grandma's village farm. Their arboretums and green spaces are practically everywhere. Because of them, inside Grandma's house is much cooler than inside our city house. And everyone feels better. That causes that improved thermal comfort. And the big question is, why? The answer is simple. Most man-made surfaces, such as roads, sidewalks, and buildings, are slow to release the heat they absorb from the sun rays by day. Not so trees. They help keep things cooler in two ways. They shade man-made surfaces from sun rays, and they also release water vapors into the air through their leaves, the transpiration process, which too has a cooling effect. So in order to make Palma a better place to live, we need to green the city. But how to do that when Palma has only little land space to plant new trees? In order to find a solution, I did some research with my father. We focused on professionals that could help us with realistic ideas, and this is what they told us, architects and engineers. Maybe we can give a purpose to unused spaces such as roofs, terraces, and walls. Horticulturists. Some species of small trees can be planted on vertical rails or on roofs. Gardeners and biologists. So could many species of plants. In addition, don't forget that all plants transpire, and that can also help. After analyzing all the ideas, my father and I reached a conclusion. We can green our city through roof gardens built on the roofs and vertical gardens built upon the walls. However, because in Palma there are much more empty walls than empty roofs, planting vertical gardens can be easier to put into practice. But exactly what are these vertical gardens? Basically, a vertical garden is a garden that grows upward vertically using a trellis or other support system rather than on the ground horizontally. They are usually placed upon walls or fences and can be used to grow shrubs, small trees, decorative plants, flowers, and even vegetables. Besides helping us with the temperature control and with improving our city thermal comfort during summer, vertical gardens can also provide food, hydrological benefits, architectural enhancement, habitats or corridors for wildlife, recreational opportunities. In large scale, it may even have ecological benefits. This is my first proposal to plant a vertical garden. Thank you. Any questions?